How do you do, teacher? And hello, everyone. My name is Lekana. I'm 17 years old. Nowadays, I'm a student of Edward International School, Ireland, studying English 1A book. Today, I'm very delighted to conduct a presentation of a topic called My English Study. Before I start my presentation, let me pay respect to Mr. Concom, the president of Edward International School, staff, teacher, and all beloved friends. So now let's get to our topic. Every day I study English at Edward International School because I want to become very good at it. I listen to English audio to improve my listening skill. I also read many books in English to learn new words and understand how sentences are built. Every morning I practice speaking English by repeating sentences out loud. I also study English grammar with my teacher who explains everything clearly. When I meet my friend, we try to speak English together to practice more. Learning new words and new expressions is exciting for me. It makes me feel proud and motivated. I know that by working hard every day, I will become fluent in English. Step by step, I am getting better. And I'd like to say thank you, teacher and my friend, for your paying attention to my presentation. Wish you all the best and get succeed in all parts of your life forever and always. My recommendation: EDIF offer a real knowledge of English. Don't hesitate, come and join in EDIF program. Issue achievement in your study English. Don't worry, be happy.